let's get right to it. So what is WaveSkeeper? WaveSkeeper is a browser-based extension that allows you to securely interact with Waves-enabled web services. So this extension what it means is that this extension could be running on your Firefox browser, your Chrome browser, your Opera browser, and your Internet Explorer browser. So these are the browsers currently supported by the WaveSkeeper extension. So what it does, it allows you to easily sign transactions and make interactions, like you could interact with the Waves blockchain securely using the extension. So it's kind of a simple authentication or an SSO, which is single sign-on for dApps or Waves enabled web application. So anytime you want to interact with your dApp, that means an application that is running on the blockchain, WaveKeeper makes it easy for you to sign those transactions or to authenticate you. So it's kind of like a login, so to speak. So if, for example, you're on a dApp and it's requesting for a login, most cases will be you would need to log in with WaveKeeper. So it gives you that functionality of one application to sign in on different applications or different dApps or Waves enabled web applications on the internet. So this would reduce hacking and would keep your private key as well as your seed safe from malicious sites. So it enables you to sign transactions without entering your private key or password, which is really cool. So it saves you from phishing websites and all that. Creating your first Waves account using WavesKeeper. So let's get right to it. We're going to go over to Firefox and we're going to quickly type WavesKeeper extension Firefox. You go type them in your Google search box. You click enter, and it should be one of the first results return back. So this one, WaveSkeeper, get this extension for Firefox. So you click on it. Make sure you use add-ons mozilla.org. So you click on that, and you should see WaveSkeeper by Waves platform. Always look out for if the author is Waves platform, and this is the official logo for WaveSkeeper. So you just hit this button that says add to Firefox, and that should start up the installation process. So while installing, you can look at the screenshots showing what WaveSkeeper is and what it could do. So this little pop-up says add to Firefox. So look at the permissions and click on add, and WaveSkeeper should be added as an add-on to your Firefox. So it's that easy. So allow this extension to run in private mode. We don't really need all that for now. So you see WaveSkeeper has been added to Firefox. So this is my Firefox edition. So your Firefox might be different, but it should be able to add it. And you see the icon over here. So just click on the OK, got it button. And yes, you've added WaveSkeeper extension to your Firefox browser in about 1 minute. So to create an account, you click on the WaveSkeeper icon. Then you click on this get started button. Then it's going to ask you to create your account. So all you have to do is supply password to it. Also confirm that password and check I have read and agree with terms and conditions. If you want to read the terms and conditions, you click on it, and also you have read and agree with the privacy policy. You should click on the privacy policy and terms and conditions to read them through. Then click on continue. Then it's going to tell you create a new account or import an account. Now if you have an existing account with Waves, you could import it. I do have an existing account, but I want to create a new account so you could see the whole creation process. Alright, so you hit the create a new account button, and that's it. You've created a new account, and this is your account address. So you click on continue. You could change your avatar, or you could use the default. Okay, change your avatar. So the avatar is unique, so which avatar you choose will determine the address you'd have. So I'm just going to click on the second one. You could leave the default there. Anyone you choose works. So let me use the default. So I click on continue, and the account name is specific to Wavekeeper. It's just the name that will be known only to you on Wavekeeper. So I'm just going to call this account Kelvin, and I'll click on continue. But first, I need to create a backup. So just in case, I need to copy my seed. So I create a backup. Then it's going to show me my seed phrase, which I quickly copy. And if you want to skip the part of you verifying your seed phrase, you should, but I don't think that's advisable. So you will know where you really keep the seed phrase. So I'll click on continue. Then in this section, it's going to tell me to tap each word in the correct order, which is my seed phrase. So I'm just going to quickly paste my seed phrase in bear. I'm going to paste it here in bear. Okay. So, alright. So I'm just going to minimize my window so I could really look at both of them at the same time while verifying my seed phrase. Okay. Alright. Um, I'm just minimizing my browser a little bit so to make it really easy to verify that seed phrase. So I'm going to move here to this corner of the screen. Okay, so I should be able to get it. So razor birth glove. Alright, so yeah, we will continue. So it's razor birth glove work nuclear over trail film attract jewel guide defense indicate dash join. So if that order is correct, it's going to tell you to confirm it. So make sure you have a backup. So please do not skip this step just in case you need to migrate to a newer browser or to save the account in another device. It's good to have the seed phrase. So you confirm it, and that is it. You've created your very first Waves account. So from here, you could perform transactions, you could authenticate dApps, and so on. So that's it. In under 5 minutes, guys, we've been able to create our very first Waves account with using the Wavekeeper extension for Firefox.